All right, we're good to go. Once again, a very good morning to one and all. Can I hear from each one of you? Good morning, everyone. Wonderful. On behalf of Halder Venture Limited, I am your host, Namrata Bhanushali, and it gives me immense pride and pleasure to welcome you all to this momentous occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, we are gathered here to celebrate the listing ceremony of Halder Venture Limited on the prestigious NSE Emerge platform. Today is indeed a proud day for all of us. So let's start this beautiful morning with a huge round of applause. Thank you so much. Before we move ahead, I request all of you to please rise for the national anthem. Jai Hind. Thank you. Settle down, all of you. We are honored to have with us key dignitaries whose presence makes this celebration truly special. So please join me in welcoming Mr. Harish Ahuja, Head Listing NSE. Sir, we would like to welcome you with a lovely bouquet of flowers. Once again, a warm welcome to you, sir. Thank you. Next, we would like to welcome Mr. Keshav Kumar Haldar, Managing Director, Halder Venture Limited. A very warm welcome to you, sir. Thank you. Join me in welcoming Mr. Mrinal Debnath, Chief Financial Officer, Halder Venture Limited. Welcome, sir. Now let's welcome Mr. Shashank Sawant, Strategic Advisor. Welcome, sir. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a privilege to share the story of this landmark occasion. So please allow me to introduce Halder Venture Limited, a company that represents a century-long journey of growth and transformation. The Halder Group traces its legacy back to 1924, when it was founded as BC Halder Rice and Oil Mills in West Bengal. Over the last 100 years, the company has evolved into a trusted name in India's agri-food sector, guided by operational excellence and a long-term vision. Having been listed on the Calcutta Stock Exchange in 1984 and the BSE in 2016, today's listing on the NSE is a natural progression that reaffirms the company's commitment to transparency and its mission of growing goodness. And today, as we are here to witness a new chapter in the journey of Halder Venture Limited, I want you all to clap hard and give them lots and lots of wishes, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. And now we would like to play a short corporate video of the company. So I request you all to please have your eyes on the screen.
In 1924, BC Halder opened a modest husking outlet in Rampur Hut, West Bengal, with a single goal: making quality food accessible to his community. A century later, that local mission has scaled into a global FMCG powerhouse. We haven't just grown, We've evolved, transforming 100 years of heritage into a modern supply chain that feeds millions across the world. Our reach spans 17 countries, but our heart remains in the soil of India. From Indian farmlands to the bustling markets of Africa, Asia, and Europe, we bridge the gap between harvest and home. By integrating local logistics with international standards, we ensure that every grain arrives as fresh as the day it was milled. Healthier communities are built from the kitchen up. This vision is carried forward by our factory workers, food scientists, and engineers, operating at a rice milling capacity of 150 million metric tons of annually. We combine industrial scale with personal precision. We aren't just processing food, we are fueling the daily lives of families across generations. We maximize every harvest to minimize waste. By doing solvent extraction from 100 million metric tons of rice bran, and by processing 120 million metric tons of edible oil annually, we turn byproducts into high-value nutrition for livestock. This circular approach ensures our rice, oils, and vegetarian protein meals are produced with a focus on efficiency and total traceability, delivering purity you can track from the farm to your home. Growth only matters if it lasts. We are actively enabling lowering of carbon footprint through carbon sequestration and smart agri-tech that preserves the land for the next century. As we expand our footprint across India and new global territories, we ensure that our progress supports the environment rather than depleting it. Halder Venture is built for the long haul. Our 20% revenue growth in FY 24 to 25 is the result of disciplined expansion exemplified by our Haldia unit, which puts us directly at the gates of global trade. By consolidating 5 group companies into one unified FMCG vision, we have built a streamlined engine for the future. Our standards are set in the lab and proven in the community. Beyond strict quality audits for every brand we pack, we invest in the people behind our success. A century of heritage has been sharpened by institutional discipline. Today, Halder Venture stands ready for the global stage, backed by transparent governance and proven results. Already a staple on the Bombay and Calcutta stock exchanges, we now reach our next milestone, listing on the National Stock Exchange on 19th January 2026. 100 years of history, a future of limitless potential. Halder Venture Limited, growing goodness, nourishing tomorrow.
Thank you. And now, to mark an auspicious beginning, we now proceed with the lighting of the ceremonial lamp. I invite the dignitaries to please come forward near the lamp for the lamp lighting ceremony. I request Mr. Harish Ahuja sir, Mr. Keshav Kumar Haldar, Mrs. Paulami Haldar, C.A. Vinay K.R. Agarwal, and Mr. Mrinal Devnath to please join us near the lamp for the lamp lighting ceremony. Thank you so much, all of you. Let this light guide us towards the success. With this lighting of the lamp, we all can feel the shift in the environment, a positivity in the air. So let's clap for this beautiful energy we have created here. Thank you. Thank you so much, all of you. Moving ahead, I request Mr. Keshav Kumar Haldar, Managing Director, Haldar Venture Limited, to please come forward and address the gathering. Over to you, sir.
Good morning. The leadership of National Stock Exchange, our board of directors, colleagues, partners, investors, and the well-wishers. Today is a proud and defining moment of Halder Venture Limited. Today, by ringing the bell at National Stock Exchange, we are not merely making a new listing, we are honoring a journey that began over 100 years ago in 1924 in a rice belt of West Bengal, one meal, one family, and one simple belief that honest work done responsibility creates lasting value. For us, this listing is not just a celebratory endpoint, it is a structural step in a long journey of building a disciplined, transparent, and future ready organization. The seeds of Halder Venture agri processing business were laid by our visionary founder Mr. Brindavan Chandra Halder with the founding of BC Halder Rice and Oil Mill. Since then, 4 generations have carried the legacy forward through change, challenge, and transformation, always anchored with trust. Our public market journey reflected this steady evolution. We were listed on the Kolkata Stock Exchange in 1984, expanded our presence in a BSE listing in 2016, and today, with our listing on National Stock Exchange, we take a significant step towards deeper transparency, stronger governance, and broader investor participation. Over time, Halder Venture has evolved from being a traditional agri-processing company to a more structured, professionally managed, and food and agri-value business. This has meant putting stronger system, clearer processes, and greater financial discipline in place. Although some of our brands operate in FMCG segment, our role goes beyond that. At our core, we are rooted in agri ecosystem, connecting production with market in India and overseas. We see ourselves as a company that nourishes connection between land and kitchen, tradition and innovation. Today we continue to expand with the mission of growing goodness in communities worldwide, being committed to making nutritious food accessible to all. Our products have reached communities beyond India, across part of Asia, Africa, and Europe over the years. Every grain and every drop that carry our name also carries our responsibility. In recent years, Halder Venture Limited has undergone a powerful transmission. The merger of our group companies has strengthened our scale, structure, and efficiencies. The acquisition of Haldia unit of KS Oil Limited has strengthened our edible oil business with a refining capacity of 500 ton per day and a packing capacity of 400 ton per day, located at Haldia port to serve the Eastern India market. None of these progresses happened on paper alone. It is built by people, by team on the shop floor, in procurement, logistics, quality, and finance, many of whom have spent years and in some cases decades with the organization. Their understanding of the business, their discipline in execution, and their ability to adapt through change have been central to Halder Venture Limited what evolved. As we move forward, strengthening system and governance, we remain equally focused on building capable leadership and investing in our people because long term value is created only when both move together. Today, Halder Venture Limited has a strong presence across sectors including rice milling, edible oil process and animal feed processing. Supported by multiple manufacturing units, our presence ranging from parboiled and white rice to edible oil and vegetable protein meal reach households across India and international market in Asia, Africa and Europe through trusted brands like Odana, Omana, Bhojmoti, Diva, Healthfeed Pro and few other that stands for quality and reliability. As we step into our second century, our ambition is clear. We aim to build future-ready business with stronger brands, sharper execution, and deeper global reach. We are investing in value-added and organic foods with traceability, exploring agri-tech solution, and focusing on product innovation. In addition to strengthening and expanding our existing business, we are marching forward with a goal to invest in the business of tomorrow, driven by clean tech, agri-tech and sustainability. For us, growth has never been just scale. It has always been about growing right way with integrity, sustainability and long-term value creation. Today's listing on NSE strengthens our ability to pursue this vision. It places us at a platform of encourage transparency and discipline, sustained value creation and invites the wider community to invest to join us, not only in our growth but in our purpose. To our shareholders, your trust is central to everything we do. We are committed to honoring in through strong governance, prudent decision making and responsible leadership. I would also like to acknowledge the many individuals who have contributed to the growth of Halder Venture Limited over the years. Employees, partners, advisors and associates who have been part of the organization at different point in time. Their effort, often behind the scene, have played an important role in shaping the company and guiding it through periods of change. We thank National Stock Exchange for welcoming Halder Venture Limited, this marketplace of credibility and opportunity. As we ring this bell today, we do so with pride in past, clarity in present, and confidence in our future. We carry forward a century of legacy, but more importantly, a century of responsibility. Thank you all for being part of this historic moment. The next chapter of Halder Venture Limited begins here. Thank you all. Namaskar.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it is already 9:13. We'll continue with the speech after the bell ringing ceremony. I invite all our dignitaries to please join us near the bell for the bell ringing ceremony. I invite Dr. Harish Ahuja, Mr. Keshav Kumar Halder, Mrs. Paulumi Halder, Mr. Kaustav Halder, Mr. Mrinal Debnath, Ms. Shrestha Halder to please join us near the bell. Ladies, We all can see the timer on the screen, and I invite you all to join me for the last 10 seconds with a lot of energy and enthusiasm. With this ringing of the bell, Halder Venture Limited will be officially listed on the prestigious NSE Emerge platform. 35 seconds to go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's start all of you together. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Highest congratulations. Congratulations. Halder Venture Limited is now officially listed on NSE. Thank you so much, all of you. Once again, congratulations to the entire team here. Moving ahead, I request Dr. Harish Ahuja to please come forward to address the gathering. Over to you, sir.
Congratulations, first of all. Normally my speech is before the bell ringing, but this time it's reversed, so I said I should congratulate first. Shri Keshav Kumar Halder, MD and CEO Halder Ventures, Haldar Ventures Limited. Srimati Paulani Haldar, Director Haldar Ventures Limited. Shri Kaustav Haldar from the family. Shri Minal Debnath, CFO Haldar Ventures Limited. Board members, employees, family members, media personnel, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning and warm welcome to all of you on the listing ceremony of Haldar Ventures Limited today on NSE. This will be 2,937th company to list with us. India is the fourth largest capital market after US, China and Japan. And NSE has grown almost 128 times since we got incepted in 1994. Our market cap today stands at around $5.17 trillion. Our GDP is around 3.85, so we are around 20% additional than them, and this shows the mark of a growth of a country like us. US also is around 20% higher than their GDP. India is also around 22% higher than the GDP. So our capital market is roughly around 463 lakhs crore, around $5.17 trillion. This data is very important because many times these questions are asked that there's a lot of hype in the market around GDP versus market cap, but this needs to be clarified that a developing country like us, which has huge young population, the average is less than 28, this kind of difference between market cap and GDP is well justified. At NSE, our commitment has been to provide a platform that enables companies to grow, investors to participate in that growth, and India economy to thrive. In last 30 years, NSE has been a catalyst to the growth story of India, enabling economic growth through fund mobilization, capital formation, wealth creation, and job creation. As India marches towards becoming Viksit Bharat, listing of Haldar Ventures on NSE reflects the spirit of an India driven by innovation and global competitiveness. As entities like Haldar Ventures and entrepreneurs like Keshav Kumar Haldar scale through public markets, they contribute directly to the building a more strong, self-reliant and future-ready nation. NSE today serve almost 12.5 crore unique investors who are holding around 24.5 crore accounts. We are almost present in 99.85% of the pin code, barring few pin codes in railway station, airports and bus stop where we cannot go for verification. Rest every place is covered. And we are very happy to offer this entire investor base, this platform, which will help you to grow transparently, efficiently with technology. I congratulate the entire team of Haldar Ventures Limited and other parties associated for the accomplishment. Today listing is just the beginning. We will request Haldar Venture Limited and will help them for their future fundraising endeavors, especially for future FPOs, right issues, commercial papers, NCD, debt market, and most important, sustainability bonds, because I saw that you are into sustainability in agro. Sustainability linked bonds are a new phenomena happening across the globe. In India also, NSE also has done 2-3 listings. I'll surely request you to look forward to sustainability linked bonds, which is a new emerging trend of raising the fund. May your journey on NSE as a listed company be impactful, prosperous, and enduring. Namaskar, Jai Hind. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. All right, moving ahead, we will now go ahead with the exchange of the mementos. First, we will present the memento from the NSE to company. And to do the honors, I request Shri Jashwant Jain to please come forward. And to accept the honor, I invite Mr. Keshab Kumar Haldar to please come forward. Congratulations. This is a special memento. Sir, we would also like to present you listing memento along with proud to be listed badges and a booklet. Kesab sir, we also have a surprise for you as a tradition here at NSC. We now present you the photocopy of the exact moment the bell was rung. Congratulations. I request both of you to please be here as now we will present the memento from the company to NSC. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. I would like to request Keshab sir to please be here to present the rest of the mementos. And now to accept the honor, I invite Mr. Soumik Ray, Statutory Auditor, Sen and Ray, Chartered Accountants. Congratulations. Thank you. Thank you. Next, I invite Mr. Vinay Agarwal and Mr. Dhiren Kothari, advisors, to please come forward and accept the honor. Mr. Vinay Agarwal and Mr. Dhiren Kothari to come forward. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Next, I invite Mr. Shashank Sawant, Strategic Advisor, to please come forward and accept the honor. Ladies and gentlemen, today is a proud day, indeed a big moment for all of us. So I request you all, as I take the names, I want to hear a huge round of applause. Thank you. Thank you. Next, I invite Mr. Anchal Chopra from Chopra and Associates Listing Consultant. We have the team from Chopra and Associates Listing Consultant. Congratulations. Thank you. Thank you. Next, I invite Oxyven Corporate Advisors. Team from Oxyven. Congratulations. Thank you. Thank you. Now I invite Ms. Ayanti Sen, Company Secretary, Halder Ventures Limited. Congratulations. Thank you, sir. All right, thank you so much, all of you. And now to conclude today's formal proceedings, I request Ms. Ayanti Sen, Company Secretary, to kindly come forward to present the vote of thanks. Over to you.
Good morning, everyone. Respected officials from National Stock Exchange, our Managing Director, sir, our board members, and senior management and advisors, consultants, and distinguished guests. Thank you for being with us in this prestigious occasion. I, Oyanti Sen, uh, it is my privilege to present the vote of thanks for this prestigious occasion. Today's bell ringing ceremony marks a significant milestone in the journey of Halder Venture Limited with our listing in National Stock Exchange. The moment reflects an years of dedication, discipline, and a collective effort. In this outset, I extend my sincere gratitude to the officials of National Stock Exchange for their warm hospitality, guidance, and support throughout the listing process. My heartfelt thanks to our Managing Director, Sir, Mr. Keshav Kumar Halder, for his visionary leadership, and to our Board of Directors for their strategic guidance and unwavering support. We are deeply grateful to our advisors, consultants, and professional partners for their expertise and commitment in making the listing a success. I would like to acknowledge our employees across all the locations, the true strength behind every milestone we achieve. Lastly, thank you to all the shareholders, investors for their trust, confidence. As we begin this new chapter on the NSE, we remain committed to transparency, strong governance, and sustainable growth. Thank you all for being the part of this occasion and the memorable, this is a journey that we begin in NSE. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. With this, ladies and gentlemen, we conclude today's ceremony. Once again, I would like to congratulate Halder Ventures Limited for the official listing on National Stock Exchange. A big round of applause for the company's achievement. And I wish you all the best for future. Please join us for breakfast and gathering in the hall. Thank you so much, all of you. This is Anchor Namrata signing off. Jai Hind.